I have been hearing that everyone talks about protein. Protein is the only food which we should eat. Other than protein, there is nothing in the food remaining. Recently, we few friends were gathering and we were just talking. Then this topic came. If I eat only protein, how about it? Isn't it the full meal? And then I thought, this is a myth. So let's debunk this myth. Protein, yes, protein is one of the macronutrient of food, but it is not only food. It is the portion of the food. So make sure that your food has protein. But other than protein, we need fat, we need carb, we need micronutrients, minerals, vitamins, everything. Let's talk more about it. So the myth is that protein is alone food, so that's not. Second point is, people say if I eat protein I can lose fat completely. That's also not true, because if it would have been, the persons eating only eggs would have been lean. Fat loss requires more than eating protein. It requires sleep regulation, it requires mealtime consistency, it requires your cortisol level down, it requires your protein sufficiency in food along with carb and fat, and also it requires fiber intake. So protein alone is not responsible for fat loss. And if you are eating enough protein but you are not able to digest it, then the problem is that your stomach is not generating enough acid to digest it, to absorb it. Low acid, then protein gets fermented, then bloating, then gastritis, then indigestion, and then we think that protein is causing problem to me and it's not for me, because your digestive system is already impacted. So you need to first take care of your digestive system, then work on the protein sources. So before increasing your protein intake, work on the digestion first. More protein will not yield more results, but better digestion can help you absorb your protein intake in proper way. So instead of increasing the protein intake, work on the digestion improvement. Number first, you need to work on your meal timings. Consistency in your meal timings is the first mantra to improve the digestion. Second, include fiber rich food in your plate to support the protein absorption. Third is, avoid cold drinks with food. This is what I say multiple times, that when we eat, try to not drink plain water with the meal. That causes a digestion imbalance. And the most important, your protein should be supported with whole grain carbs and fats. Once you work on balancing of your meal, balancing of your meal timings, balancing of your food, you will see that the protein what you are eating has started giving you results. So next time when you see that you are eating enough protein but it is not giving enough results to your body, then see what other than food is disturbed. Your sleep, your balanced plate, your meal timings, and work on that.